Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 30i, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on this system navigation, this highlighted toggle at the top. And as you can see here, we've got two different options. Currently, we've got the 3-button navigation. And before we will set the gestures, a quick disclaimer, because as you can see, you can customize them. You can tap on more settings and, for example, reorder the back button and the recents and manage the voice assistant. So if you'll decide that you want to stick to this option, you can customize it right here. In order to set the gestures, we have to first of all tap on this option at the top. And basically, immediately, instead of this 3 buttons, we have actually nothing, which means that we just successfully applied the gesture navigation. We can go through the gesture tutorial if you want to. You can learn how to use the gestures. You've got also this animation, which should help you to understand how the gestures work. But of course, no worries. In a second, I'll show you how to use them. What is more, we can tap on more settings, and basically we can customize the back sensitivity, which means that we can set it lower or higher. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need this back sensitivity to be changed. You can also customize the voice assistant. Alright, so a quick tutorial. If you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center until you will see this arrow. You should not really keep it for too long, because we will have this additional bar with the options. So a quick motion. Just swipe your finger and release it, and you will go back. And the same situation from the right side, because it works the same. If you'd like to get back to the home page directly, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And here we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate this gesture. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.